Hey guys, stab in the eye here. The lock I have for you today is a challenge lock made by Casper707. It's a 6-pin lock. Key works pretty well. I'm going to see what it takes to get inside it. I'm going to use bottom of the keyway tension and a deforest diamond and 25 thousandths. One's loose, two's binding. Just a little bit afraid to pick these locks with my Petersons because of that common knowledge design flaw on the etchings on the shaft of the pick. Got a good full set, and I'm afraid I'm going to snap it. But pin 3 is the one that gives me the most trouble, or just really binds up. Okay, counter rotation on 1. 2's just bound, really bound. Now I'm just kind of working my way to the back. Let's see. Okay, deeper false set. Let's see, 2 is still needing some work. Alright, I'm going to attempt to pull out a hook I know is not going to break. My 30,000 southward. Alright. Still, pin 2 is just being uncooperative. don't even have my hand on the tension wrench at the moment here. Not sure. Let's see what's holding us up here. I got 1, 2, 3. Little rotation on 4, 5, 6, 2. Okay, something's clicking in there. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. 10-2's dropped again. Okay, deep false set. One counter rotation. 2's dropped. There we go. We're open. Alright guys, this is the last time I'm going to work on this lock. And I'm going to send it out to Slick Will, I can't remember the rest of his name, on Reddit. You can see that kind of bent the crap out of this pick a little bit here. And this one, the lock's open. This lock's just been real challenge. First the key came not really working well and I had to put it back together. But let's just take this lock apart and see what we got on the inside. Let me get my pinning tray here. Sorry that this is a little bit of a longer video, but it is what it is. Alright. It's the Casper707. Okay. But I try to take my videos in one take if I can, so I don't really want to reshoot this just to make it shorter, but this is like the 4th time I've opened it. When I first opened this lock a couple times, the lock just kept breaking after I took it and after I picked it, and I'd have to take it apart and fix it. A couple of the springs weren't really pushing the driver pins down and stuff was just getting caught, so I think I was able to remedy that situation. And it's pretty cool that he put these top pins in here so you can top load it, but for whatever reason we can't screw them down all the way, or else I don't know if there's not enough room, but it won't work. So here you can see he's drilled out some of 2 and 5. And it looks like he drilled those chambers. So right now the key pins look some like slightly serrated, maybe slightly spooled a little bit, but for the most part nothing too crazy. They're not bad. Get out the driver pins here. First one's a spool. Second driver pin's probably lodged up and stuck inside. Let me see if it will come out. That's the first spring. Looks like all these driver pins are stuck in here or something. Okay, well here's 4 coming out. Here's 5. Here's 6. This lock's had a lot of issues. Bear with me, I'm gonna go get my Allen wrench so we can take the top off. I'll replace that spring. Oh, I guess the driver pin fell out earlier. Alright. Now what are we missing? 3. Alright. Okay, this one has one of the little springs in it. Let's see. There's the driver pin just popping out, and here's the spring. And then here's the spring I just destroyed. Alright there guys, sorry that this video was so long, but it is what it is. So this is the Casper707 or 77 challenge lock. Could be either. Here's the pins. And it's the top loading. And it does look like he drilled into each and every chamber. See if I can hold it up against my flashlight or something. Alright, there you go, boom, you got it. Alright. And then okay. Alright guys, well thanks for checking out the video, I appreciate it. And I hope everyone has a great day. This lock will be making its way out either today or tomorrow. And hopefully the next person will have as much fun as I did. Alright, thank you so much Casper707 for sending this my way. And I hope everyone has a great day. Thanks, bye.